It's time to pack all the clothes because we are going to India. Time to say bye to our house here.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Shoebox House. I'll see you after a month.
See you after a month. So finally, planning for India trip starts, and just yesterday, last night at like 1 a.m., I reached Toronto from Ottawa. I still haven't unpacked my clothes from there. But guys, we are finally going to India in literally just 2 days now. My flight is on Thursday and it's Tuesday today. I just have 2 days to pack everything. And these are all the gifts that I purchased that you've already seen. I need to pack this up and also clean up this house a little bit. Need to clean up all my laundry and empty the fridge as well because I will not be here for a couple of weeks. I don't have a lot of stuff left, but whatever it is, need to get rid of this. So yeah, there is a lot of work that needs to be done and my flight is literally in 2 days now. But before all of this, there's one important thing that we need to do. Get our COVID test. So we need our COVID test results before our departure, like 72 hours window that we have. So yeah, let's not waste time and get the first step sorted. Let's go for the COVID test. Are you scared?
Little bit.
It's a second time
Yeah.
getting the test done.
Last time it was a very smooth sail.
Yeah.
Let's see this time.
Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Start.
Okay.
Okay. It wasn't that bad. It was so uncomfortable. My eyes got watery. I was so scared, but it's done. We'll get the results by today or tomorrow at max. PCR test done. And the next step is to collect the bags from the locker. And we're trying to travel light this time, so we are just taking one bag each and also cabin bags. So yeah, kind of 2 bags. I still can't believe I'm going to India in 2 days. So first, let me start my own packing because that's going to be very time consuming. As you know the situation of my cupboard already, I literally have clothes all over right now. It's going to be summer in India as well, and it's summer here. And I'll be literally taking half of my clothes, what I have, to India, and then remaining half I'll fold it and put it properly. Yeah, this mess. This is what I was talking about. But it's all going to be cleaned, so no worries. Finally, my packing is all done.
My packing is also done.
Oh my god, for my baby Laya, she's going to wear this. So cute. I'm so excited to meet her. Are you excited?
I'm super duper excited. Going to India after 2 years.
Yes.
Gifts
bag.
Done.
And now cooking our last meal here in Toronto. And for our dinner, we have, yes, eggs. We did not do any groceries since, I guess, a week now.
Yeah, we are just trying to finish all the food we have left in our fridge.
Yeah. So made some guacamole. And I'm so excited because I won't be cooking for one entire month.
And
I won't even go in the kitchen.
And I'm also super excited because I won't be chopping for the next 25 days.
Yes. And we will only be eating delicious food which will be served to us. Can't wait.
Can't wait.
Can't wait.
Seriously. Can't wait to have homemade food served by someone else. And we are just eating and hogging. That's it.
Yes. So guys, it's finally the day when we are leaving for India. So I'm all ready, just doing the final checks. So there's nothing in the fridge that will go bad. So fridge, check. Dishwasher, check. And what else? Saransh, your plants.
For 1 month, we won't be able to give them water, and hopefully, they will survive.
They will.
I miss you. I'll miss them.
They'll miss you too.
Plant check, done.
Laundry, check. Living room, check. Bedroom, check. I'll come after a month now, so bye bye bed. And finally, it's time for me to get ready. And I'm all ready. And now let's get the bags. Need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All good. And now it's time to go to the airport. So we just entered the airport and we are taking Etihad flight. So it's not a direct flight. As you guys know, there are no direct flights running from Canada to India. And we have booked our one-way ticket from Toronto to New Delhi, and we are transiting via Abu Dhabi. So just when we entered, they checked for our COVID test result, which is obviously negative.
Yep.
And they also asked us for the self-declaration form, which we had already filled. So we're all set.
Yeah, we have all the documents sorted.
Yeah, and we're just waiting for the check-in now.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. Hungry?
Yeah, now I'm hungry. We need to have dinner before we board our flight.
So we finally checked in and now we are just exploring the airport, trying to find a place where we can sit and eat something.
Yeah.
Just grab a quick bite.
Chill and relax.
Yeah.
Maybe have a drink.
Yeah.
Finally, we found a place. Let's go. Let's order drinks first.
What do you want?
Yeah, very good.
Alright.
Alright. Cheers to
Cheers
our
to-
vacation.
Yeah, going to India after 2 years. So obviously this calls for celebration right from the airport.
Yeah, it was a much needed vacation. We were dying to go back to India.
Yes.
I actually can't believe I'm going back to India. We'll be meeting my family and friends. I still can't digest.
Yeah. It's going to be a long flight from Toronto to Abu Dhabi, so just grabbing a healthy juice for myself. And now going to our gates. Got it. So we are all ready to board now and we are going to Abu Dhabi. And also, by the way guys, just to let you know that we have only booked a one-way ticket because we were hopeful that direct flights would open from India to Toronto. But guess what? We just got the news day before yesterday that still...
We have no clue how we'll be coming back. We haven't booked any flights and we are just hearing from everyone that the flights are getting super duper expensive. As soon as we reach home, we'll be booking our return flights as well.
But the flight from here that we are taking is Etihad Airways and we are transiting via Abu Dhabi and then we'll reach Delhi airport at 3 a.m.
Yep, in the morning.
Yeah, and then we have to take our COVID test and everything. So I'll tell you all whatever experience that I have during the flight. And guys, this flight that we are taking is literally all full. There is there's not even one ticket
Yeah, it's
that's
super
available.
packed.
And guess what? They're all Indians. They're all flying to
Yeah.
New Delhi. Because I think this is the only flight, right?
Etihad and Emirates are the only flights that are operating in this situation right now.
Yeah. And also, if you are transiting via Abu Dhabi, you don't need any transit visa or anything. So that's pretty cool. So we are all sorted there. And now it's time to board. Let's go! Finally taking the flight. Super, super, super excited. throughout. In the 12 hours journey, I think I managed to get a good sleep for like 6-7 hours. 1-2 hours I was just not comfortable, and then 3 hours I was editing.
And I slept for the entire journey.
Lucky you.
Yeah, I slept like a baby.
And this guy has been eating every meal that they're serving, and they've served us 3 meals in these 12 hours, and he's been dogging all this.
And now I'm totally stuffed up.
He's like that kid, you know, whenever any air hostess is coming, he just gets really excited. But anyway, let me just get back to my work.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Abu Dhabi. The local time here is 7:57 in the evening.
Okay, just last minute things. Need to grab some chocolates for everybody. So we are at the Abu Dhabi airport now.
Got some perfumes.
Yeah.
All done. Finally, the shopping is done. And now let's head to the gates.
And now it's going to be our final flight to New Delhi.
Yeah.
This one is going to be short. We've already done the 12-hour flight, which was the longest one. And we had a 3 to 4 hour transit here. So the flight to New Delhi is about, like, I guess 3 hours?
Yeah,
Three or
it's 3
4
hours. 3 hours.
That's it. And then we will be in India. I need a coffee.
Me too.
Yeah, it's actually morning there in Toronto, so I'm craving for a coffee now. Otherwise, I'll get a headache, which I don't want. This actually feels nice. It finally says Delhi. That's what I was waiting for. Let's go. Finally, going to India.
This is mandatory to wear.
Yeah, we just got these kits. Not the entire PPE kit, but just double protection. Excited?
Yeah, super excited.
And now I see you in India.
3 more hours.
Let's go.
Seems like they've given Indian food for dinner. Oh, my favorite, guys, you know it, roti. I love it. And some, oh wow, dal makhni, rice, and I think I see some butter chicken also. Oh, there's some chicken curry. I think the Indian food spree has already started. And by the way, guys, they've also given gulab jamun for dessert.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So we just reached and we have to get a COVID test done because anybody who's arriving from UK, Middle East, and there was one more. Even if you're transiting, you need to get a COVID test done here at the Delhi airport, and then you can just head back home. So they're in the line. They're doing the test there. Yeah, thank you. So finally, we are in India.
Welcome to Delhi.
Welcome to India, guys. If you're from India, well, welcome to India. If you're not from India, welcome to India. This is my home country. And I'm here after 2 freaking years, and I'm so excited.
Welcome back to India.
Welcome back to India. Yay!